Hello viewers, today we are going to know about Fiverr. So there's many of people are working as a freelancer in Fiverr, but today we will get to know how you can make order in Fiverr. Like you can give order and like how you will do the processing of your order. Like you give something order and how you can do the processing of payment or something like this. And maybe you are thinking that if you give order and if you pay before he gave or she gave your order, and if you pay, maybe there is a scam. But let me tell you, there is no scam if you are new. So you can watch this video full, okay, until the end. And if you are like working as a freelancer, and if you are maybe if you don't know, if you don't have idea like how you can give order, so you can watch this video. Okay, so let's start. Hey, okay, let's start. Now we'll open Google Chrome. From the Google Chrome, I will open a new tab for you. Okay, we will write now Fiverr. Okay, you can see it came in the front. Okay, we will open the first link. Okay, so when you open the when you open the Fiverr, you can see something like this, and where you have to register, and you can register here with your Facebook or Gmail, or if you have Apple ID, or you can open with this. So after that you can submit. All right, so I hope you know how to open Fiverr, like how to register. All right, and for that you need to verify with your Gmail. Okay, and after that you will get something like this, and from here you can see here the search button. From here we have to search like what we need for our work. So right now I need article writer, so I search article writer. Okay, and here you can see. All right, now here at the down we see the result. Okay, wait, we'll select the budget. So we'll keep minimum $5 and maximum $10. Apply. Okay, so here you can see some options like special, like there is offers. And okay, one more thing, before you give order you have to check the rating and how many rating he have and how many work he complete. Okay, this is the most important things. And here you can see one of the guy, he have five-star rating and 93 ratings. Okay, but French, so we need English, so select English and apply. Okay, okay, then here we got who write English articles. So here is the one. I already chat with her and I already select her, and I already give her work. But I will show you now how I communicate with her and how I give her order. Okay, so here is her details. Like she said, she will give 1 day's delivery, and if you take premium to $20, and in 2 days she will give the delivery, and you will get the many of the things. And she have 4.9 star rating and 65 work complete. Okay, it's very good. Like this one is very good, good service. Okay, and here you can see like you will get the details like this work, like you will get from her if you give order. Okay, this service you will get from her, and she is from Pakistan. Okay, and there are some basic things about her, you know about this. So okay, we'll check. So now we'll go for payment. Okay, how do I pay? So before I paid, I chat with her. Okay, and then I talk with her and I'm bargaining with her like about the details and works, like how much I can do. So here I give details about my payment. Okay, and you have to see here is two options for payment. You can pay with your bank card or PayPal. I have PayPal account also, but there is no money, so that's why I pay with my card. Okay, never mind, you can choose any one of this if you have anything. Okay, so we already select, and yeah, this complete. So we'll pay now, confirm and pay. Okay, that's it, very simple. And this money will not transfer her immediately. This one will be transferred to the Fiverr account, and from here now just you can see now it will like it will process. See, you can see here, just a second, it's written. So okay, so already complete. Now you can give your details here for work. Okay, or you can select anyone from here also if you have a previous like workers or something. So here I will give, because my website is just only I work and small business, so I will give small business. Okay, here's the options. If you have like companies or anything like this, or you have partners, so you can give partners also. There is the option give small business, and here I select only me, like just me, and you can give 2 or 5 or something like this if you have partners. Okay, so here nothing like this. You can select anything, or you can give your website or YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, anything like you have accounts or name. That name you should give here. That's it, nothing. There is nothing important or nothing necessary, like, but you have to give something here. Okay, so I write akbarlal.com, something like my website name I just give here. Okay, and I just pay. Okay, finish. Now here is the second steps. Here you to give the details like, and here said right, so you can give here your topic name, you can write, or either you can give details from you like already make a document, and you can submit here also. Okay, and here is the your topic research articles or something like you already make research and you give her or give him to for the work. Okay, and here you can see you have to select the language, which language you want, okay, to let her write. So you there is a US English and British English, so I select for British English because British English is I like it, that word. Okay, so start order. Okay, we need to fill up this one also. Okay, so we are okay, but here they said please write down your keywords. So I already write down my keywords and my keyword research, everything I write from Microsoft Words. So I will give her my details from details to here. Okay, but here I just give, I don't have anything, I don't have anything. So you can give also, like here I give my document. Okay, I will just write okay and I will give the documents. Okay, so select here, and here you can see I already make my documents. Yeah, this is my documents and I selected. Okay, done. Oh, okay, we need to write something also. Okay, so I'll write here. Okay, because I already write everything here, like topic research and keywords, what I need, how I need. Okay, so here I gave already. So what you need for your work, so you will write this like how you want paragraph, articles, or if you want anything to do, like I need a article writer. If you want like a programmer or developer or something, so according to your needs, you will give the instructions. Okay, so after I give order, it's complete now. There is okay. Okay, so already our order is complete, and now here I can we are coming for the messages. Okay, so here you can see you can chat with her here from the message direct from your account, or either you can chat with her here. You can see your order is now processing. Okay, so here you can see the details. Also here is the messenger, so you can chat with her here also. So everywhere you have like you can communicate with her or with him everywhere. So I write here, okay, I hope you get the list, and let me know like if you want anything from me, or if you want to know anything from my about my articles. So I write this one and I send it to her. So here you can see the details. Okay, as you see I write here for her, I hope you get it. For the confirmation I just write this one for her and I just send. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, that's it. So after when she complete her work, she will send me, and then I will check this order like as I need. If it is like this, so okay, I will give the satisfaction, and I will just write. So I will show you this one also if, at the end. Okay, I will show you the complete details, don't worry. So now this is from until here it's okay, and okay, let's show you the chat what I talk with her. So as you see I talk with them, two of them are here, both are from Pakistan, but I talked with him before like 2-3 days ago, but he responds me also, and he's also give the same price like in $30 he will write for me articles, but he's late, but he did not respond when I need. Okay, so I write for him, sorry I cannot give you this work because I already give work to another one. So I'll tell him, okay, I like your offers, don't worry, I will give you my next order to you, and until that you have to wait for me. Like this I just write something for him and I just send it. All right, so here you can see what I chat with him. Okay, let's scroll up. He gave me offers, see, in $30 he will write for me 3000 words and one bit post and all like this. And she's also give me a good offers, like she said she will do for me like on page SEO and off page SEO also, and also topic research and all. And she will write for me more than 3000 words. And that man, he said he will write for me like only 5 keywords, like this, something like this, and she will write for me more than 7 to 9 she will write for me keywords, and the more than 3000 words she will write for me, and also like in on page SEO also she will do for me. So I think so I get this one is good offer for me, so I give her for my work. Okay, and here you can see I chat with him, but his offer is also good, not bad. See here you can see only 3 to, like keywords, so it's too less. Okay, Okay guys, thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please wait for the next video. I will let you know the more information about this topic. Thank you.